Hi, my name is Anderson. I do sales here at Corsa Motorsport. We mainly specialize in vinyl wraps, but we do essentially everything A to Z. We do basic maintenances, oil changes, paint corrections, ceramic coating, clear block protection, window tinting, wheel powder coating, everything you can think of we do in-house. We do get a lot of people asking for a Inozetek, especially when they ask for a gloss film. It's as simple as showing them a sample and they're pretty much sold on the product. Personally, for me, I think Inozetek's a great product. I genuinely don't think there's anything out there that is comparable as far as its glossiness and the smoothness of the surface when it comes to gloss vinyl wrap.